How to create a ring pattern in Affinity Photo, PC or Mac. You can use that with various graphs and much more later. Now you could use the ellipse tool, make 2 ellipses, but what you can also do is go down here to donut tool, select that and click and drag. Hold down and shift to create a circular design like that. Now you can fill it with black or any other colour or gradient, etc. But you can also set the stroke to nothing as well. So once you've done that, go to Layer and down here to Rasterize. You need to rasterize it into a pixel layer. So rasterize, then go to Layer and down to New Pattern Layer from Selection. And that will turn it into a pattern design. Now, unfortunately, there's no pattern feature within Affinity Photo where you can store it away, but you can save it to your assets. So here is Assets panel. You can find that in the window menu and Assets. All you need to do is make sure it's selected, create a category for it, something like I've got here, Andrew Patterns. Go over here and this menu here, click here, add this current pattern as the selection. So add from selection, and you can see it stored away there. So let's just remove those now. So just delete those. You can see now it's in the assets. What you can then do is maybe create other shapes. So let's just go and create a rectangle. And I'm just going to fill that with a colour, say yellow. And I can create another one. And I'm just going to go like that. Obviously very roughly, but you can see you can create sort of graph designs very quickly. But instead of having just a solid colour or a gradient in it, you can also use that pattern design. And I'm just change colour there, again to maybe something else. Once you've done that, go to the first one, select that. Go along the top and you've got these options here and you've got Insert Inside Selection. So click there. Then go to the assets, just click there and drag and you see a little plus, and then you can see it's added straight away into that rectangle. And you can resize it. So let's just resize it, make it a bit smaller, and you can reposition it. What you can then do is go to this one, select that, do exactly the same. Just go along here, along the control, and click Insert Inside, and drag that over there. Maybe make slightly different size one, maybe slightly bigger. And then finally, go to that one and do exactly the same, click here, and then again, drag it into here. Now, I've gone for black for the circle. You could, of course, use any other colour combination as well and change that and modify it. Of course, you can modify the colour of that design. You don't have to go with black, of course. Maybe go with a red or green design, all those sort of things. Maybe change it, squeeze it, make it slightly more elliptical. All those things are possible. Obviously, with a circle, you can also rotate it as well, but it will make no difference, of course. Now, you can, of course, also fill that donut shape with different designs as well. So you could create some very complex shapes and designs using that. Hope you found this tutorial of interest. Any questions, please let me know in the comments below. A like or dislike, always appreciated. Please subscribe to the channel. Bye.